Okay, hello, good day. I'm going to quickly show you how to use mailgun to send mail on Laravel. It's quite easy. So if you don't have an account with mailgun, you head to mailgun.com and sign up. I'm not going to take you through the sign up process. It's quickly simple. You sign up, you verify your email or your phone number. Also, you see my mail is verified. So when you do that, let me go to the dashboard first so you know how I got here. Okay, you have your settings and things. So if you come to where is it, domain, page just one, the sandbox, which is like the free one, you are able to send quite a couple of mails per month. Yeah, except you are doing something enterprise, something you'll be sending a lot of mails, then you can pick up a paid account, upgrade your account or something. But I'm just okay, pretty much, just to show how you send mail. So under the SMTP, we're just going to need a few credentials: the SMTP, the host name. Let me bring up my env file. 1 minute. Coming. Okay, this is what the settings I'm using. It's a simple application. So you set your mail driver, mail host. Here you have the host to be SMTP. You copy this. You copy that down here. Mail host, the port number I'm going to use 587 recommended. So this would be your username and this would be your password. So you also have what we call the encryption is TLS. The from address, it's usually preferable you use the the email you use in signing up or something, anyone. Then the from name, I think that's basically it. Then the next thing you have to do is go to your config folder and you open your mail. Then this thing picks it from the env file. That means simply if it's not present, it's going to fall back to this. So you have that configured. Make sure the names are the same. You have mail port, from address, the name you want to show, the encryption type, the username, mail username. Make sure this name matches what's on the env. It's very important. Uh, Password, send mail, stuff. Pretty much it. Then I think that's basically all the settings you need to. Then okay, hold on your mail secret. You can get that. It's usually your API key. Uh, it's your API key. It's loading. So this is your mail secret. This one here. Where is it? Mailgun secret. This is it. The domain you just pick here, art. This file here, it's the mailgun domain. So that's basically it. Oh, then the next one you want to set up a simple mail template. I'll show you my mail template. I put it under my views. You create a view. I'm sure you know how to create a view. I'm not going to take you through that. Where is it? I created a view under mails. I call it booking. It's a simple one. Thank you for choosing a hotel, blah 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 blah. You set up just a simple HTML. And okay, I'll show you something. Under the booking, you go to your controller. Uh, in this application, what I want is when someone books a hotel, immediately the booking is clicked. Then before it returns back to the view and said your room has been successfully, it should also send a mail. So I simply put this mail colon colon send. but you have to import this mail. It comes with Laravel. uh, this is it. You have to use eliminate facades mail, this one. You import it using that one, else it's going to prompt for an error. So the back end, this would be your view, the mail template we created. Remember this guy here, this one. Okay, then this is usually a property. You can add as much property as you want. Like, you want to reference a particular object in the mail template, you put it under this array. Name, I'm calling the customer name info. So you want it to appear on your mail, so your mail looks to, you see under here I said dear name, and I had referenced that name under here. So you could reference things like the person's email, the person address. Maybe you want to send everything about the booking info, you can uh, line them up here and point it to them, then you reference it on your mail. So I think then message from where is the message coming from? This is the subject of the email you are going to send, and this is the message to. So in this case, I'm using a sample email. I would simply point to I have my customer email, so I would simply do this, maybe copy this, and instead of using this, I point it, so that whenever I'm doing a booking, I would get that. So let me do that just before that. So I would have something like this. Come on. Oh, sure. Hang on a second. Okay, so I see this. Um, don't worry about this one. Just the mail. So it's sent. So I'm going to check my email for that. So you see, the name appears, dear Emmanuel Umana. Thank you for choosing, blah blah blah. You see the email info, this at Sandbox on behalf of blah blah. That's the subject name. So guys, that's pretty much it. It's as easy as that. Doesn't take much time. Thank you for watching. Thumbs up.